I've always wondered what my life purpose is. I've explored many countries to find the answer, but I couldn't find it until the journey finally took me to the place where I finally found the answer. Bali, the land of the gods. Balinese believe in Trihita Karana, which consists of the harmony between man and God, man and nature, and between human. It made me realize that there's nobody's perfect. We could only become the best version of ourselves by cleansing ourselves from negativity, sensing our heart with our mind, taking care of our health by returning the energy that's lost because of the pressure from our daily routines. Being grateful for all the pleasures in our lives. Appreciate every single process of life. Learning to listen, see, feel, and give meaning to every single life's moments. Because every second is precious. Always trust that things happen for a reason, and that there's always light beyond the darkness that will take you to the beauty of colorful life. Harmonization as a gratitude to God. Until we came to a point where we finally find what we're looking for. Happiness.